Well, you mentioned you've built it up to 4 stores, rather quickly now, and you're looking at 5. What are some of the keys to scaling a business, at that pace?
Yeah, I
What have you
think,
done?
yeah. So the big thing for us was getting our GM involved. We needed that full time person
Yeah.
um, there, 40 plus hours a week, really involved in the business to be able to report to us, for big decisions or things
Mhm.
like that. So she's been amazing. Our assistant GM is amazing. They basically, can handle 99% of the things that arise. And I think for a lot of us small business owners,
Mhm.
um, hiring is always, top of mind, right? Like we're always trying to hire the best, retain the best. And
Mhm.
so, if I had to say one thing, scaling,
Mhm.
that's it, right? Like finding awesome employees who, want to be loyal to the business and, we're loyal back as owners.